Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, I'll be doing an autofocus noise test of this little guy right here. This little Pancake lens from Canon, the Canon EF-S 24mm f2.8 STM lens. It's known as a Pancake lens because it's so small, and it's actually just made for APS-C cameras, like the Canon Rebel SL2 that I have. Love this camera. So for the first part of the autofocus noise test, I'm going to be using the internal microphones of my Canon Rebel SL2. And for the second part of the test, I will be using a shotgun microphone mounted on top of the camera. The one I have is the BOYA shotgun microphone BYMM1. Super popular option for beginners. It's about $50 on Amazon. So one thing to note is that I do have the audio set to manual because it's not recommended doing automatic because it picks up a lot of background noise. So having it set to manual will reduce that. I have my setting right in the middle. So without further ado, I'm gonna mount this on the camera and then get right to the test. Okay, this is part one of the test. I'm now recording on the Canon Rebel SL2's internal microphones, and here's the test. So here's part two of the test. I have the BOYA BYMM1 microphone mounted on top of my Canon SL2. So actually, my favorite way of doing audio is actually to have it kind of extended right over here. I've got the shotgun microphone, the same one I used for part two of the test, right over here. And this is gonna make it super silent so you can hear it for yourself. And that's it. All right, so that concludes my autofocus noise test of the Canon 24mm f2.8. Some closing remarks. I do really like this lens. It's one of the first lenses I've ever purchased, even though now I have the Sigma 18-35. It's really hard for me to let this go just because of the sheer size of it. It's so small. It's a great traveler. It's super easy to just grab and go. And it's a lens that I highly recommend. And that concludes my video. Hope you liked it. Have a great day.